Salitral at Vedra Island Park. This small park with a lot of charm is located at 101 Library Boulevard in Ponte Vedra Beach, Florida. Visitors experience a sample of the Northeast Florida ecosystem, highlighting the native flora and fauna. It is a nice place to walk around and relax. It is free and opens daily from dawn to dusk. Vedra Island Park began when a handful of Ponte Vedra residents worked with the county to identify the vacant piece of land between the Ponte Vedra Beach Library and the Fire Station number 10. With assistance and support of numerous businesses and individuals, the park opened on October 15, 2010. The bronze statue of a girl sitting with a book is lovely. Vedra Island Park features a storytelling area with benches and a small amphitheater with beautiful tiles and shaded trees. A boardwalk encircles the pond, a second gazebo on the waterfront, and a play area for children. The 4.2-acre park includes a 2-acre pond with a boardwalk and a viewing pavilion. I recommend you to visit this park if you are in the area. Well, amigos, that's all for today. Bye-bye.